Here we are at 76 Stetson Street, the one bedroom on the third floor that I'm going to show you. Here is the entrance. We're going up to the third floor. See you there. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you this one bedroom apartment on 76 Stetson Street, third floor in Fall River. Great location. This 6 family, we hardly ever have anyone that moves out. We have long-term tenants in this building. What I'm going to show you is all the rooms that are off of this main room. We've got the kitchen, we've got the bedroom with the walk-in closet. We've got this room here that could be an office / small dining room, and we have a very good size bathroom. Let's take a look. Here we are in the kitchen, plenty of counter space. You've got your white stove, matching white refrigerator, good size cabinets, your sink, and then your lower cabinets. Let's take a look at the bedroom. Here we are in the bedroom, plenty of sunlight. You've got the 2 windows. You've got this nice walk-in closet. Plenty of room in here for all your belongings. This would be great for a king-size bed or a queen-size bed, whatever you choose. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Closet. Another closet. And lastly, another closet. Take a look at the size of this bathroom. Unheard of for a 1-bedroom. You've got your decent sized tub, shower, your sink, and your toilet. Let's take a look at the last room in this apartment. And the last room in this apartment is the room that I was telling you that could be an office, could be a reading room also, or a small dining room with a pub table. Just perfect for you, your significant other. I get asked a lot of questions when someone is looking for an apartment to rent. They want to know if there's coin-op laundry. That's usually the #1 because no one likes to bring their laundry to the laundromat. And at 76 Stetson Street, we've got your washer and your dryer coin-operated. Here I am picking up the coins for the owner. Come take a look at this apartment. Go to rentinfallriver.com and I'll see you all here.